Ồ,
Dạ, sorry thầy, sao em vô hoài không được thầy ơi?
có cái này.
Dạ, thầy nói cho em từ tên em có trong list không dịch?
Không.
Dạ.
Just wait a minute.
Dạ.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't see it.
Dạ, không có hả thầy?
Không.
Ủa, hôm bữa em intro rồi mà thầy.
Cái đó tôi sẽ check. Ok.
Dạ.
Cái đó tôi sẽ check sau.
Dạ.
Ok.
Dạ. Dạ, cảm ơn thầy.
Rồi.
Dạ.
Okay. So this is the voltage divider. So if you get any question regarding into the calculation for this circuitry, let me know.
Are you going over the test, or you could just go over the review sheet? This is just a review sheet.
Now that is a test, right?
No, this is a review. The test is different.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Okay, that's the one.
That's the one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on that one here, A or B or C or D?
B, 9.8 milliamp.
B. Okay, number one, A or B or C?
B.
B. Okay, just a minute, okay? Why? Okay, so the answer for number 1 will be B. Okay. Okay, number 2.
C.
Perfect. Hello?
Em Tâm,
Sao?
em định đăng ký mà nãy giờ đợi ở ngoài không chỗ được.
Em cũng giống hệt như là câu kia, tôi không có biết tại sao nữa. Ok, nhưng mà rồi được rồi, tôi sẽ giải quyết sau cho.
Dạ. Cảm ơn thầy.
The problem is more students try to get into my Zoom and they cannot. I don't know why. Must be something is not right.
Hey, Mr. Pham,
Yeah,
they know you changed your password and the first letter has got to be capital and then the
Right.
other 2 letters are small.
right. I already tell them. And they did, but they cannot. And now the second student asking me the same thing. He wants to
Make
get into the Zoom, but cannot. I don't know why.
Make sure they type 2021.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, that too.
But that's okay. Now we have to get through that one quick. Okay, that will be C. Number 3.
A.
Yeah, I see something wrong. Some people try to get in, but they cannot. But
If they haven't referenced the website, they're using your old password.
no. Okay, right now here.
Because that's what I did. I used the old password until I looked at the website.
Okay, so now I know why. Okay, so the answer for number 3, A, right?
Yes.
Yes.
A. The thing I did is very basically, you have to know how to do it quickly. So that's why I given you the answer, so you get a chance to try to redo it over and over. That's what, when you interview, they asking you. Number 4.
Number 4A.
Perfect. Number 5.
I got A.
C.
C.
Number 5C.
C. I have C as well.
Number 5.
B.
C. Is it right?
Yes, C.
Okay.
Yes, C.
If you get it wrong, correct it.
Can you go on number 5? Can you go on number 5?
Number 5.
Yeah, how?
How? what I want, VB, right?
Voltage divider.
Yeah. Equal 10 times R2.
1 plus R2.
Yep. What I want you to do, every time you see it, you can do it right away. Okay.
I did the same thing. My calculator was doing wrong. Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Okay, number C.
Number 6A.
A.
A.
Perfect. A. Number 7.
C.
Perfect.
C.
C. You want IE. You take VE divide RE. Number 8.
B.
A.
Can you go over this one, please?
Okay, what I asking? V,
B,
C,
B,
E.
C, D.
OBC.
So we have to know VC, right?
Yes.
Okay. So VC, VCC, IC time, RC. And we already know VE.
Okay.
Then VCA.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Fan,
Yeah.
for the question 8, can we go back to question 8?
Yeah.
Now, from 7, we know what IE is. So do we use the IB equal to IE over 1 plus beta? Is that what we use? Or can we just say IE is approximate to IC and then just use that?
Okay. In this one, do they calculate the IB?
You calculate IB first.
IB, right?
Okay. Okay. That's all I need to know. Thank you.
Number 9.
B. B.
You understand me? This is the base. This is the add meter. And this will be collector. VB, that's easy, right?
Yeah.
You can take 10 times R1 divide, okay, R1 plus R2. And now again, E here, B here, C here. They want VE. That means voltage from here to the ground. Okay? So you already know VB from B to the ground. And the difference between E and B will be 0.7. So VE, VB.
A.
A. $11.
C.
C.
Perfect. C. Number 12.
A.
Good.
Agree.
We get only 2 configurations. I want you to make sure you can do quickly. That means NPN and PNP in output divider. A, B, C, D.
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 D. That will be Jack Linton pair. $14.
B.
Is it B?
Yes.
Okay. $15.
A.
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 The guy doing very good. A. $16.
D. This one I actually had a question about because, all right. All right.
Okay.
This one I Google.
Right, but the MOS still stands for something. CMOS stands for, it's not just MOS, that stands for something too. So I was confused whether that was splitting hairs though.
17.
17 is either A or D.
I got D.
Yay.
18.
C.
I got C.
Okay. 18 will be C. Okay, you understand this is like the voltage regulator. Okay, so you get 110 volt, okay, outlet here going to the bridge rectifier. Okay, and what the output of the bridge right here? How did output look like? Right?
Yes.
That will be output for the full wave rectifier. Okay, and now what did register for?
Filter.
It's a filter.
No, that's not the filter. Filter has to be capacitor, not resistor.
Limit the current.
Exactly. That's what they call a surge resistor. In case, what happened? If this capacitor is shorted to ground, so when you just turn it on, this current will be draw more current, so they will be cooked the diode. Okay, so that's why they have to put a resistor here to limit the current in case this capacitor will be shorted. Okay, that's why they call it short.
So is it correct? Can you also call it a current limiting resistor?
Right. In case they get a, when you plug it in, they get a short. Okay. This capacitor may be short to round so they can draw more current. And that will be cook the diode. Okay, then now what's the name for this capacitor here?
That's your filter?
Right, that will be a filter. And now the thing is, when they get the 180 ohm here and the signal here, what they show here, DMM indicate 24 volt. And so that means they give it to you right here. What is the Vout? So the answer will be C. How come they be C?
It's the Zener diode voltage.
Exactly.
It's the limiter.
The signal will be breakdown. The thing is 24 higher than 15.5. Okay? So that's why the output only 15.5.
Mr. Fan,
Mr. Pham, when you say that R surge is to limit the current, so to not to cook the diode,
Yeah,
the diode you're referring to is the Zener diode. Is that correct?
this diode here.
Oh, those diode. Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Fan,
Yeah.
that same resistor, that's different than the surge protector reset, right?
Yeah, the same surge protector.
So but it's not necessarily the same as a fuse.
No.
All right.
Hey, Mr. Pham,
Yeah.
one thing before you, on that resistor, I said it's a current limiting resistor or surge resistor, but is that resistor different from the other ones insofar as wattage?
You mean different from what? Big 180?
Yeah, in other words, all the resistors come in wattage. So what?
Yeah,
So is that a higher
small one.
wattage?
No, same thing. That will be a small value. Okay.
So both of the resistors will be the same wattage?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Now, what is low current to 289 ohm? Question number 19.
See?
Perfect. The thing is you take 15.5 divide to 289. Okay. If Zener open, what is Vout? Number 20.
A.
A.
Okay.
How come you get A? Voltage divider.
0.7.
You take 24 times 289, divide total 180 and 289. Look like no Zener. 21.
C.
C.
See,
It's the
Yeah.
ohmic region.
C. 22.
A.
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 22A. Yeah, you guys doing good.
Google.
23B.
B.
B.
Ah.
Your Google was wrong.
B.
B. Maybe you don't know on that question. I don't know either.
I got
If we want to know, we have to go back into the lecture. Okay, 24.
C.
C.
Yeah. Last one.
A.
B.
B.
A.
Uh,
Ah.
Yeah, good.
Oh, man.
I look on Kumi paper and get all my answer right.
Yeah. Next time, don't sit next to me.
Okay, tomorrow, Ted.
See?
I don't know who can able get B. I'm not review anything on that.
Whoa.
You make a
No.
surprise, huh, Mr. Pham?
Haha, we'll
You
see.
should have told us during the before Christmas break.
Okay, so what I telling you, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is a basic thing to keep it, review it, do it, able to answer any question without looking into anything. That will be helping you to get a technician job when you get an interview. Okay, so now the thing that we want to do is you can see also on the MSIM 7, I given you a lot of homework. What I want to do, make sure you know how to do it. That's a real lab. If you know how to do it, then when you're working on the lab phone, no big deal. Okay? So now I just want to know anyone not registered, take one or take two, then you try, you can do it now. Okay?
Mr. Pham,
Basically, after the long holiday, we don't want to get too much thing.
Mr. Pham.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say something about the Excel sheets for the multisim. I was just wanting to compliment you on the way that form is. You designed that form. It's nice. It has a nice step-by-step presentation versus the other documents you put out for a MSIM. It helps when trying to resolve the answer and you have that pass fail next to it. It helps with the correction process. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. The thing is that is the way I modify, like, the left foot. Okay? But when you enter something, you enter fail, don't try to make it bad. The thing is you have to take back what you've done, why it failed. That's how we learn. I spend a lot of different time in order to try to see what we can do in order after the program you're able to be a good technician. Okay, Sam, you can asking them to say who's not registered.
Okay, so pretty much anyone that's not planning to come back for next semester, we need you to register for class. If you have not registered For those of you that already registered for class, for instance, before Christmas, you're good to go. Make sure you go do some studying because, like Mr. Pham said, there's going to be tests tomorrow. Okay. And it's pretty decent long test. I went through it and I see the test. Okay, so make sure you spend
Any
time
hints on the
studying for it.
subject matter?
It covered the whole lecture from the beginning of the semester to the end of the semester.
Everything.
Yes.
Okay, we meet you on Zoom for that.
So if you this is for any student that have not registered. Yeah, if you want to return for next semester, you need to register for class for the spring semester. Okay, and the spring semester is going to be starting February 1st. Okay, so if you have not registered, either you go ahead and turn your mic on, chat with me, or type in the chat box so I can help you. And the rest of the people that already registered, you're good to go and make sure you spend some time to study for it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the lecture. If anybody else that needs some extra help on the assignment, please let me know and we definitely can spend some time there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr.
You're
Pham.
welcome. Okay.
Okay, if no one, then we can save it for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So
All right, everyone.
No.
Okay. You